struggling to build your own website? I was there a couple years ago. I was watching YouTube videos to try to figure out how to build a website. I ordered a book on how to build a website. I was using Squarespace, paying a lot for it, using Wix and paying a lot for it. Finally, I ended up majoring in computer science and I learned how to build a website, but it took me way too long. I went through all the BS, I did all the CS courses for you so that I could distill down the easiest, most important information in a packaged online course that can teach you how to build a website. I've built tons of websites for clients, I've built websites for myself, for my own projects. It saved me a ton of money over using web builders online. So in this course, we're going to build a portfolio website where it has like a home page, pages that showcase your independent work, a contact page. The website is mostly comprised of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we're going to put all of that together, and then I teach you how to host on both Heroku and Google Cloud. I want to make this so much easier for anybody who wants to learn this. So I packaged the pearls of wisdom of what I know about web development into the simplest beginner course on how to build a website. I want to give you a vital skill that you're going to use over and over again that's great to have in this economy. You're going to understand the basics of JavaScript by the end of this course, and that can serve you in any number of ways that I can imagine. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys, and I hope that you'll find value in it.